radioactive elements are used in the medical science also. It is, see, if your red blood cell count increases in the disease of polycythemia, then phosphorus 32 is used for the 32. You can see on the screen that these are the red blood cells which are increased. So if your blood cell counts increases, then to treat that phosphorus 32 is used. Then for bone cancer, strontium 89, strontium 90, spermium 153 and radium 223 are used in the treatment of bone cancer. That strontium 90 or radium 223, that's numbers are indicating their atomic numbers. Okay, or atomic mass number is denoted with it. So you will understand that what you are supposed to take as the treatment parts. Cancer के लिए you must have heard about the treatment part. So chemotherapy and all you must have heard. So all are having in that radiation part. Then next is about the hyperthyroidism. The enlargement of the thyroid gland, weight loss, in spite of you have a good appetite, you eat, but you are thin, or you have the isomia, these are known as lack of sleep. These are all the symptoms of the hyperthyroidism. ओके सो यू आर थिन वेट लॉस आप पतले वजन ही नहीं बढ़ता है आपका कितना भी खाते हो सो and if you're not having the proper sleep also so that is nothing but the indication of hyperthyroidism. Children, it occurs due to overproduction of the hormone by the thyroid gland. So for the treatment of this, children, iodine 123. Okay, iodine 123 is used for the treatment of hyperthyroidism. Just to have your knowledge, I can say that there are two types of thyroidism. It is hyper and hypo. In one case, the patient has loss of weight in spite of appetite. In another way, they just go on gaining the weight. वजन उनका बढ़ता ही जाता बड़ा है, even though they don't have that good appetite. So when the so here for the treatment of hyperthyroidism, जो पतले होते जा रहे for that they give iodine. Okay, they ask that patient to drink that iodine medicine and then he or she is isolated from the children. Okay, you are not supposed to be with the children for 1 month around. Then either you will become free from thyroidism or you may get hypothyroidism, means your weight will start increasing. So दोनों में से कुछ भी हो सकता है. Most of the time it is getting controlled. So if you come across any person maybe in your family or friends who is having hyperthyroidism, I repeat, it is hyperthyroidism, it is not hypo, it is hyper. Okay, so for the treatment of the hyperthyroidism, iodine 123 is used. Now, next is about the tumor detection. Here you can have the picture of the CT scan. Okay, they shows the pictures like this. So, boron 10, iodine 131 or cobalt 60. This can be used for the treatment purpose. If you have a brain tumor, then this can be done. Okay, and even if you have any small tumor in any part of the body, then arsenic 74 is used for detecting that. So this was you can say about the detection part of the tumor. The radiations are used. Now let us understand some of the hazardous radioactive substance and the radiation. What exactly can be done? How come the Hiroshima Nagasaki incident still people are remembering? So that is due to the ill effect of the radioactive radiation. Children, this radiations can affect your central nervous system. जो तुम्हारा कंट्रोल बॉडी पे करता है ना, ब्रेन एंड द spinal cord, this gets affected. And even the hereditary defects are generated, means अगर आपको है तो आपके ऑफस्क्रीन को भी, मतलब बच्चे को भी वो होगा. And you got a problem due to the radiation. Okay, so from, see, hereditary defects are generated due to the bombardment of radiation on DNA in the body, because DNA is the important part which take parts in the cell division and which is required for the formation of the zygote or embryo, whatever you say. Hmm? So, from the parent to offspring, the radiation can enter, and this is what is happening in Hiroshima and Nagasaki also. See, radioactive radiations can penetrate through your skin, so you can have some problems like skin cancer, leukemia, etc. This radioactive pollutant can create it due to the explosion. Suppose कहाँ पे bomb फेंका गया, explosion can enter your body through air, and it is difficult to control them. अगर air तो सब जगह पे, so it is now, sometimes if it is in the nuclear reactors, with the help of lead we can control. But if it is done with as a explosion, bomb फेंकेगी है, तो then it can't be under the control. And if this radioactive pollutants releases in the sea, it enters in the bodies of fish and जो भी non-vegetarian है, so those who are eating it, so that can enter to human body also. So if any radioactive pollutants are released in the sea water, and if you are using sea food, then there are chances that you can have the same problem, that radiation can enter to your body also. So all that pollutant can enter to your body. Now, some of the radioactive paints on the watches are seen that they are causing cancer also. So I would suggest that don't use such fluorescence watches. Okay, we never know what is the effect of it. Thereafter, children, the radioactive isotopes, that is strontium-90, can enter to your body through the plant, through the fruits, through the flowers, cereals, milk, anything, any food stuff. So that can give the disease like the bone cancer and leukemia. Now we will move towards the some substance which are giving a beautiful colors and essence, and it mouth watering look, that we are going to learn. See, wow, what a colorful soft drinks are there, right? Huh? You have various food served, as if you are there in some one of the, you can say, party, and various food stuffs are there. Most of the things are very much colorful. You can see the Chinese and the Punjabi food items and the sweets also. Different colors are there, right? So we use it. Yeah, we I know it. So whatever food we eat, whatever clothes we wear, our utensil, watches, medicine, etc., are made up of various matter, but they are directly or indirectly affect our health also. You must have seen in the Diwali, during Diwali, people offer sweets to each other. They take a sweet box. दिवाली में मिठाई लेके आते हैं, एक दूसरे के घर पे आते हैं. And what a colorful sweets they display, isn't it? or becomes mouth watering. They make small you can say watermelon is made or peru is made or some beautiful shapes they make and become so attractive look. Hmm? So all those children, the colors are mixed in the soft drinks, in the food stuffs which are available. So these food colors are in the form of the powder, gel or paste, right? You must have seen, हाँ? केक के ऊपर कलर का चॉकलेट केक काला कलर होता है. If you see the pineapple cake, the different color is there. Hmm? So strawberry cake is having separate. Are they really using it? All the things and colors, they are using the artificial colors which are in the form of the powder, gel or paste. So we are using it. Remember children, whatever we are using, huh, it has to have some control. So whatever ice cream we are eating, ice candies are there, sauce is there, fruit juice are there, packet one, huh? Cold drinks are there, pickle, jam, jelly, huh? In that they add food color. Even your chicken, meat, etc. also contains food color into it. So chili powder, turmeric, all the things are giving you different colors. Yes, all the things you have observed, whatever I'm showing to you, all these colorful sweets are there, right? Now I'll tell you the fact about it. What is it in it? The food colors added to pickles, jam, sauce, it contains small quantity of lead and mercury. I hope everybody at least seen mercury in the thermometer, so you know it. So what does it contain? It contains lead and the mercury. And you know it, the mercury is harmful to us, isn't it? So it is harmful. So the question comes, क्या मीन्स इसका मतलब हमको ये नहीं खाना चाहिए क्या जैम एंड सॉस एंड ऑल दोस कलरफुल स्वीट्स हाँ तुमको ये नहीं खाना चाहिए चिल्ड्रन आई से दैट यू कैन ईट इट बट इट शुड नॉट बी अ हैबिट रोज चाइनीज पकौड़ा खाना अच्छी बात नहीं है okay that red color pakoras are there what you call I don't know but that red color part Chinese thing huh so that every day if you eat it then it is problem what problem it can create it creates a disease like ADHD that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorders so due to the excessive food stuff this problem arises ओके वो बच्चा ना एक जगह पे बैठ ही नहीं पाएगा फिर वो हाइपर एक्टिव हो जाएगा हम्म so food colors we have but some of the food colors are natural also so we will try to use that also you can have the beet carrot lemon etc so beetroot are there from the flowers and fruit we can get different concentrated natural colors okay and there are some artificial colors also like tetrazine, sunset yellow, etc. These are extensively used food colors. So, overconsumption of the food stuff is detrimental to the health. It becomes problem for us. So, overconsumption, थोड़ा बहुत कभी खा ले तो no problem. Hmm? So, therefore, the use of the natural food colors is always good. Instead of going for the artificial, you should have the natural food colors.